Hi students, so let's discuss the hot questions of Geometry March 2026 board paper. Question number 4.1 was, in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC. XY divides triangle ABC into two equal areas and find the ratio of BX upon AB. So XY is parallel to BC and two equal areas, so area of triangle AXY is equal to half area of triangle ABC. So that is the diagram. Area of triangle AXY is half of ABC. So here if you cross multiply, AXY upon ABC is equal to 1 by 2, right? Then prove that the triangles are similar. So triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Then use area of similar triangles. So area of similar triangle says area of triangle AXY upon area of triangle ABC is AX square upon AB square. Clear? This reason is important. Then you get half is equal to AX square upon AB square, taking square roots on both the sides. So you get AX is equal to 1 upon root 2. Now to get the required answer, we subtract both the sides from 1. So it's 1 minus LHS and 1 minus RHS. So 1 minus LHS is equal to 1 minus RHS. Here we cross multiply. So AB minus AX upon AB, and here you get root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, right? Now check the diagram AB minus AX. AB minus AX is equals to BX. So here you get BX upon AB is root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. That's your final answer. The next question, 4 second one. Surface area of a sphere, total surface area of a cube are same. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and surface area, total surface area of cube is 6l square. So here we cross multiply. R square upon L square is equal to 6 upon 4 pi. This gets cancelled, you get 3 upon 2 pi. So R upon L is equal to, taking square roots, it's root 3 upon root 2 into root pi. Now you want the volume of a sphere upon volume of a cube. Volume of sphere formula is 4 upon 3 pi r cube and volume of a cube is L cube. Now here the calculation is very important. That 3 comes down, you get 4 by 3 pi into R upon L the whole cube. Now we substitute the value of R upon L. So R upon L was root 3 upon root 2 and root pi. So here the cube of root 3 is 3 root 3, root 2 is 2 root 2 and root pi ka cube is pi root pi. Pi and pi gets cancelled, root 3 and 3 gets cancelled and 2 gets cancelled, 2's are. And a very important calculation step here, this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, right? So when you write that as root 2 into root 2 gets cancelled. Now root 2 into root 3 becomes root 6 upon root pi. That is your required answer. It's root 6 is to root pi, hence proved. The next question is question number 5.1. There's again a non-textual question. This is called an open-ended question. There are no measures given there. So you have to write your own measures, draw the diagram and write your own measures. So this is a circle, PQ is a chord, O is the center of the circle, this angle POQ is the central angle, this is the minor arc and this is the major arc. So a child has to say that my angle PXQ, they said find the measure of angle PXQ. So according to my diagram, my measure is 65 degrees of PXQ, PYQ comes out to 115 degrees. And PXQ plus PYQ, when you add them, it becomes 180 degrees. Just write the answer what measures you have. They have not given any measures. Then they had asked find the measure of angle POQ. So in my diagram, angle POQ is 130 degrees. Now PXQ was 65 degrees and this is 130 degrees. So PXQ is half of POQ. This is called an open-ended question. And the last question, question number 5.2. You have two eagles are flying in the sky at a height of 10 root 3 meters. So this is eagle 1, eagle 2, they are flying at a height of 10 root 3 meters. There's a boy who is seeing the eagle, the first eagle and the second eagle. He makes an angle of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Clear? You want the distance between the two eagles. Now here you have two cases. The eagles are on the same side of the boy or the eagles are on the opposite sides of the boy. Okay? The measurement remains the same. Then we use tan 60 in triangle BME. So tan 60 is opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan 60 is EM upon MB. Root 3 is equal to 10 root 3 upon MB. Cross multiply, root 3 gets cancelled, MB is 10 meters. Then take the second triangle BNF. Tan 30 is equal to Fn upon Bn. So tan 30 is Fn upon Bn. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 equals to Fn is 10 root 3 Bn. Again cross multiply, root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So Bn is equal to 30 meters. Now you write the answer separately for both the cases. Case 1, if the eagles are on the same side, the distance between them is EF, and you can check the diagram. In the first diagram, EF is same as BMN, right? So Mn is equal to what? Bn minus Bm. So Bn minus Bm, that becomes 20 meters. And case 2, if the eagles are on the opposite sides of the buoy, then the distance Mn will be equal to Bm plus Bn. Bm plus Bn, because Mn is equal to EF here. So Bm plus Bn becomes 40 meters. Thank you so much, kids. All the best for your remaining exams. God bless you. Thank you so much.